case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a high-stakes feud between a major casino chain and its creditors, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit reversed an earlier court decision, opening a new chapter in a contentious bankruptcy case. The case, known as Caesars Entertainment Operating Company v. BOKF N.A., took an interesting turn when the court challenged the limitations of Section 105A of the Bankruptcy Code. The troubles began when Caesars Entertainment Operating Company, CEOC, having borrowed billions, filed for bankruptcy. Its creditors were understandably upset. After all, the loans had been guaranteed by Caesars Entertainment Corp, CEC, parent company of CEOC. To the chagrin of its creditors, the CEC then sought to escape its guarantee obligations by selling off CEOC's assets and terminating the relevant guarantees. In response, the creditors filed lawsuits seeking roughly $12 billion in damages. In the midst of this, CEOC charged CEC with fraudulent transfers in the bankruptcy proceedings. Hoping to pause the onslaught of lawsuits, CEOC asked for an injunction to be placed while awaiting a bankruptcy examiner's report. Yet the request was denied by the original judge on the grounds that the claims in the bankruptcy were separate from those in the lawsuits. Thus, the case reached the Seventh Circuit Court, where the denial of the injunction was challenged. The main issue was whether Section 105A of the Bankruptcy Code could be used to issue a temporary injunction to pause lawsuits against a non-debtor, in this case CEC, under certain circumstances. This could, in theory, allow for a smoother resolution of the bankruptcy case. The court overruled the injunction denial, asserting that the bankruptcy and district judges had incorrectly limited the bankruptcy court's powers. The judges, it contended, wrongly endorsed a same-acts limitation on Section 105A, arguing that a temporary injunction could indeed facilitate a more equitable resolution of the bankruptcy proceedings. Significantly, the case was remanded for further proceedings, consistent with the court's revised interpretation. The move showcases the fluidity of bankruptcy law and the far-reaching effects it can have on creditors, defendants, and the integrity of the bankruptcy code. The scene is now set for a more intense and multifaceted battle between CEOC and its creditors, with a narrative that encapsulates the complexities of the American bankruptcy system.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.